Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to install Windows 11 update, standalone update from Microsoft Update Catalog website, and if you're receiving this error that is Windows Update Standalone installer, the update is not applicable to your computer, even if the update is like applicable. Now to fix it, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update over here, and then go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, when you go to Windows Update, you will see the repair version of, if you have version 24H2, then you will see the repair version of 24H2. If you have version 25H2 installed in your computer, then you will see the repair version of 25H2. Now you can use Microsoft Update Catalog if you want to use Microsoft Update Catalog to install the update, or if you whichever update you want to install, you can click on Windows Update and then click on check for update, and then you can install that update. Still you're facing the error. In that case, you can use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. And then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once download is complete, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close, and then once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. This process will take some time, and once installation is complete, you can go to Windows Update and you can install that update. Click on check for update, install it, or if you want to use Microsoft Update Catalog, you can install it from here. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.